recording?
Yes, go.
Right now?
Yes, go.
Okay.
Just go.
I'm going.
Okay.
About to do the cinnamon challenge. See cinnamon McCormick. I'm scared. I got butterflies in my tummy. Got my food.
That tickles.
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut
I'm
up.
not supposed to hear you.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
You didn't hear me at all.
Why are you backing up?
So I can see you better.
Come here. Come here.
Goodness.
Alright, so. Oh my gosh, it's too much.
Smells good.
Okay. Alright. Stop doing that. You're going to have to make me start over. You're being a horrible cameraman.
I'm sorry.
Gosh. Alright, got my glass of water. I know I'm going to need it. Why are you looking at the spoon?
Oh, what? So it's all about you now?
Shut up. You're not supposed to talk. Alright. Mom, I'm about to do it. I'm about to.
You dropped my phone? Huh.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm just about to do it. Drink a little water. Okay. Shut up! I'm about to do it. Dude, give me a break. I don't think I can do it. Alright. I'm done. I'm playing around. Just gonna do it. Get it over with. Ew! Oh gosh, that is so nasty.